Hey guys, welcome. So, are you single and you're searching, or perhaps you're in a relationship but then you need some kind of spark just to bring out more vibes in your relationship?
Do you need somewhere to hang out with your loved ones and learn about love without getting entertained?
Do you feel lonely and unloved? You don't really know what to do?
Then the Real Kisses and Hugs is the place to be.
Join us live at the Real Kisses and Hugs Valentine's show. I know this is going to be the best show you've ever attended in your life. Alright, so where is it taking place? It's at Hillspay Hotels and Suites. You can contact us for more information about how to get to the venue and perhaps the event itself.
We're definitely gonna be featuring dance, comedy, couple stuff, couple orientation, matchmaking, karaoke, and many much more entertainment.
I know you do not want to miss out on this because we are so loaded and ready to entertain you with fun, entertainment, and most importantly, romance. If you're a single and searching, this is the right time for you to come and get yourself a partner. There will be lots of ladies and handsome gentlemen for your grabs. I want to see you.
By the way, I'm Lizzie Moore, and this is my boss and the host for the show, Elegant Akpabio. We don't want to see you miss out on the show.
I don't want to look for you. I want you to be present and I want you to meet me there.
Be there.
Yeah.